My name is Macarthur T. Vicente,
And I'm Anthony Somido.
and we're going to discuss the parts and the function of the lock-stitch sewing machine. So let's get started.
What is lock-stitch sewing machine?
Lock-stitch sewing machine, it is run by foot. This is also known as domestic sewing machine. This usually used at home and sometimes in schools. Lock-stitch sewing machine has three major parts: the head, the arm, and the bed. This is the arm. The curved part of the head containing mechanism for operating the needle. Head, the complete sewing machine without a cabinet or stand. This is the bed. It's a flat portion of the machine. Now, let's go to the parts and the function of the arm. This is the spool pin, thread holder. The thread guide. It keeps the thread in position. Needle clamp holds and tightens needle. Slender tool attached in the needle clamp used in sewing. Pressure bar lifter moves the pressure foot. Tension controls the looseness and tightness of stitches.
Parts of the head.
Balance wheel is used to raise and lower the
Bobbin winder controls the bobbin while winding thread. Stitch regulator checks the length of the stitches.